How to make website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it. So just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. You can basically have whatever you want, from delivery service to like selling some products, whatever you want, marketing blog, club, agency. But in today's video I want to use online store just for an example, just because it's pretty understandable and easy to show. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website, so let's go, continue. A couple of questions. Do you already have an online store? If you do, click here. If you don't, click here. Pretty easy, isn't it? So let's continue. And a couple of questions again. What kind of products are you selling? Here you can just answer what kind of products are you actually selling. So I will move forward, and here we have the same, basically. Let's continue to our dashboard. And here we are. Welcome to your dashboard. You can see that we have still 8 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, we don't really want this. Just like set up your payment methods. So I think every user will be able to fill it. It's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website, and decide this one. Just again, we don't want to use AI help in this video. And now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Here we have some templates. Let's pick just this one. Basically, all templates are beautiful, but let's pick this one. Click edit. And now we need to wait a little bit until Wix website editor are loaded. And here we are. Now we can edit this site like how we want. Edit elements, add section. Here you can see we have header, footer, like home section, another home section. We can just, for example, what about us. One click and we have it in our site, very easy. If you don't want this or you want to edit this, double click on it. Now we can change design, for example, like do it black, doesn't matter. We can delete this cut. We can manage media, pretty easy. Now of course we need to add exact your products you want to sell, images, like customize it how you want, click done, here you are. Functions are really amazing. I really like this editor's page. It's really easy to use, like my wallet. If you want to have this page easy, you have it. In one click you don't have it already. So in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend try to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that is in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.